Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, a very nice bounce that we had off of our 21 day. Now continuing on with that bounce on higher lows, jumping back above our 8-day moving average. Will we possibly gap into our prior gap downs? Again, after digesting Powell from yesterday, now PCE data coming out tomorrow, 1 hour before market open, our inflation report. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, we mentioned any pre-market news you want to be watching 2.5 hours before market open, any major volatile mover you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow again as we have higher lows again, opening lower and closing higher for 3 multiple candles here. Now looking to see if we will possibly continue on with this gap to the upside that we had gap downs from. Again, a major rejection that we had here at our 444 level from our prior gap downs that we had prior consolidation before we did continue on lower with a gap down. So again, as we bounce off of our 21 day, our question going into tomorrow, and in my opinion, what will happen is tomorrow's PCE report will depend on exactly where we do head. If we have a possible false break to the upside, if that false break to the upside does happen, then that would show our weekly chart showing consolidation within our pullback that we had from our momentum candle to the upside. So again, if we get consolidation, if we have any possible pullback, then of course it would be plausible since we do need to bounce off of our 10 weekly moving average to continue on higher here from, so that way we do continue on and get that confirmation above this very strong resistance that we got here at 444. So again, we're making sure that we get that bounce off of our 10 weekly moving average while we are spiking higher here. So again, going into tomorrow with our PCE report, we need to make sure we are cautious, in my opinion, looking to see exactly how our next candle closes. If we happen to close higher here, then we would simply look for bullish candle structure from here off of our 8-day moving average and looking to just see if we would continue to curl back up and continue to bounce off of it for that confirmation simple play from there. So again, in my opinion, no rush into chasing this spike unless we have a positive PCE report. Then we have an overextension with a possible wick to the upside, showing us that possible downtrend on a possible continuation on this cool off here, or we do have that possible continuation on higher above 444. That's what we're looking for from here. So again, no rush into tomorrow, in my opinion, with PCE coming out 1 hour before market open. Now looking at our 4-hour chart, if we're looking for a little more confirmation on this possible continuation, I would be looking for that continuation on increases in buy pressure with our 4-hour going into tomorrow into open with PCE data coming out better than expected as well. I'm sure with that increase in buy pressure would be that confirmation for that possible continuation into our prior gap downs. So again, that's what we would be looking for as far as more confirmation. Look for this increase in buy pressure on our 4-hour chart if we're looking for this possible continuation. And again, tomorrow's PCE data, in my opinion, very much will predicate exactly where we're headed next. Now, looking at our daily MACD, as we look for confirmation, we still have our 12 below our 26. We need to make sure we consider that we are still below. But if we do cross higher, then we have that possibility of a continuation. So again, like I said, we're still early here. There's no chasing into this unless we are playing into a possible continuation early, in my opinion, with that possible pullback on the weekly chart that we need on the 10 weekly moving average that we mentioned. Again, we need to make sure we do cross higher here to make sure we confirm for that possible continuation on higher. We only have decreases in sell pressure at this point. We want to see that increase in buy pressure, at least here on the daily chart, in my opinion, with a SPY to show that we're going to be continuing on with strength. In my opinion, just cautious from here. If we get any possible bearish candle structure, then we'll know exactly what we're looking for from there. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, again, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, any major volatile mover you want to be watching, any major data sets you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel every single day. Simply being cautious going into tomorrow with PCE data, and Friday's typically slower, so definitely be cautious. Get those tighter stop losses ready, in my opinion. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.